Alright, hey, what's going on, guys? So I bought this Staedtler 2.0 pencil. It's a good pencil. I like it because of the lead's pretty thick, so it definitely doesn't break off. But the problem I found was that it was hard to figure out how to sharpen. It doesn't come with a sharpener on the end. And when I bought the Staedtler sharpener here, it doesn't fit because this piece is too bulky. So what I figured out was you have to get just a manual sharpener like this one of the old school ones. You bring your lead out and then you kind of pick one of those holes that it fits in, and then you can twist it and then it'll sharpen it. For this type of number 2 pencil, it comes with its own sharpener. So what I was doing for a while was actually using the end of this tip right here, and I was actually sharpening this one. But the way this works is you bring the lead down, use the end, and you just twist it, and then you can get it sharp. Alright, but with this version, this sharpener actually works pretty good. You put it in here to the depth that you need, you stick it in here, and you twist it around, and you got a nice sharp pencil. Alright, and then you can use the little dot right there, a little white dot, and you stick it in there. It takes off all the additional lead off, so it doesn't make a mess. And then that's it, okay? So anyway, I just thought I'd do a video on sharpening your 2.0s because I had a lot of issues with it, finding the right sharpeners to buy, and it left me stuck with a dull point for a while. So hope that video helps.